Welcome to Sally Melodies classroom where we learn basic music. This is another practical exercise under inversions and this is our lesson 6. I thought it's good we do another example. This is not my melody. This is a song from one of the Catholic hymn books and it is a very common song. I decided to copy only the chorus for the purpose of learning. The composer of this song gave it a 2/4 time signature and the key is G major. Remember the key signature? We learnt about key signature. I copied it the way it appears in the book because according to the law of music, you are not supposed to change anything from someone's composition or anyone's work. You're supposed to sing it the way it is unless you have permission from the composer. So that is how the song appears in the book. And maybe we can first sing the melody and then we see what we are looking for. Do, re, mi, so, fa, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, do, re, mi, so, fa, fa, mi, re, do. So, that is a common song in a Catholic church. But our purpose is to learn the inversions. That is the melody. That is the melody part of it. But now, how did the composer use inversions on the bass line? As I said, what determines harmony so much is the bass line. That is why I did not write the inner parts. I was to write the alto here with stems facing down, and I was also to write the tenor part on this staff with stems facing up. But right now, I don't need the inner parts for inversions. I only need the melody and the bass or the root or the bottom voice. That's what I need. The rest is automatic. We said if you can see a do here and a do here, and then you feel the inner parts. For example, we have do, mi, so, do for chord 1. And then we have fa, la, do, fa for chord 4. And then we have so, ti, re, so for chord 5. If he has used a do on melody or soprano, and then he has used the other do for the bass, then automatically you know that the rest of the voices, the inner parts, the alto and tenor, obvious, they have a so and a mi. So for the inversions, I don't need that because I don't want the staffs to be so crowded. I only want you to focus on the melody and the bass voice. So this is do and do. So that is 1A. It has not been inverted. And then here you can see that the root note is a so in chord 5, so there is no inversion. You just write 5A. And then here we have 1A. When we come here, we have a 1B here. Why? The reason is, this is a so, and then he decided to give the bass a mi, meaning that this third has gone to the bass. That is why we have written 1B, because it is in first inversion, whereby the mi or the third goes and takes the root position. You can revisit the other lessons on inversions and know why we are using A, B, or C, so that you can catch up. And then we come here, the fa and the fa, they have been given fa and fa here, so that is 4A and 4A. There is no inversion for that. It is in root position. And then here we have mi and we have so, meaning that in chord 1, this one has taken the root position. So you come here and write 1C because the so or the fifth has taken the root position. So that is 1C. And then we come here, we see this is a chord 5. So the root note is a so. It has not been inverted. So that is 5A. That is 5A. And then we come to do and mi again, we give it 1B. Ti and re, we give it 5C. Why? Because here he gave the root note as a re. This one, which is a fifth, it has come here down and has taken the root position. So that is a second inversion. You just write 5C. Here we also have a la and a do. Fa la do. So this do has taken the root position, so it is 4C. That is a second inversion. And then we come here, we have so and ti. So that is 5B, because the ti or the third has taken the root position. We have a do and a do, that is 1A. This is 5A because the root is a so. And then we come here and we have a mi and a do. So that is 1A. And then we have a so and a mi. So this is chord 1. Where you have a so and a mi, that is chord 1. But the root note there is a mi, meaning that this third has taken the root position. So down there you write 1B. You write the chord number and then you write whether it is an A, a B or a C. So in this case it is a B because it is in first inversion. And then this one is a repeated format. So you have your 4A, because the root note has not been moved. It is still a fa. We have a mi and a so, meaning that in this chord, the so or the fifth has gone down to take the root position. So you write 1C. And then we have a re and a so, meaning that in this chord, the so is still on the root position. So you are going to write a 5A because the so has not been moved, has not been inverted. And then the last chord there, the last bar, we have a do and a do. So that is 1A. Remember, we said that once we invert, there are rules and regulations. At the beginning, maybe for the first two bars or for the first bar, don't invert. Let everything be in root position. Same applies to the last bar. Let it end in root position. But in between, you can invert. And why do we do inversions? Once again, I remind you, we do inversions to break the monotony in the bass line and also to give it a sweet harmonic flow. Because now, if we gave all of them a root position, you could only be seeing do, so and fa. You could not get mi, you could not get re, you could only get do, so, fa, and then you could feel that the bass line was not moving. It was so monotonous. So this composer used that kind of inversion. He used a 1B, a 1C, a 1B, 4C, 5C, and so on and so forth. Do, re, mi, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, do, re, mi, so, fa, mi, re, do, so, do, mi, fa, so, mi, re, do, ti, do, so, do, mi, fa, so, do. You can feel after we put the inversions, the bass line is sweet, the bass line is better. I would like also to give you an assignment. You can also use the root position. You just use the do, the so, and fa everywhere, and you feel that it is not going to be as sweeter as the one that has been inverted. That's all about inversions, and that was just an example. I copied the song the way it was in the book. Thank you very much for joining this class. See you in the next class.